Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absent-minded. 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 Absent-minded is an adjective used to describe a person who is forgetful, inattentive, or preoccupied to the point of not paying full attention to their surroundings or tasks. It suggests a tendency to forget things or be lost in thought. Here are some examples. Example number 1. He's so absent-minded that he frequently forgets where he placed his keys. Why absent-minded use in example number 1? In this example, absent-minded is used to describe his forgetfulness and tendency to misplace his keys due to a lack of attention. Example number 2. Her absent-mindedness during the meeting led to her missing important details. Why absent-minded use in example number 2? Absent-mindedness is used to explain her lack of focus during the meeting, which resulted in her missing crucial information. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.